Savor the rich flavors of this plant-powered butternut squash filo roulade. This culinary miracle features roasted butternut squash wrapped in crispy filo pastry, creating a delicious and eye-catching centerpiece. With just a few simple ingredients and easy steps, you can create this impressive roulade in no time at all. Each bite offers the sweet taste of butternut squash, enhanced by hints of smoked paprika and cumin. Plus, it's completely plant-based, perfect for vegans and vegetarians. So, let's dive into how to make it. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and start by preparing the star ingredient, roasted butternut squash. Peel, seed, and slice the squash, then toss it with olive oil, paprika, and salt before roasting for 40 minutes until tender and caramelized. While the squash roasts, toast cashews until golden and aromatic. Sauté onions until soft, then add diced bell pepper and garlic, cooking until fragrant. Introduce crumbled tofu, soy sauce, maple syrup, and nutritional yeast to the sautéed vegetables, creating a luscious filling. Add spinach and lemon juice, allowing the spinach to wilt and infuse its flavor into the mixture. Stir in the roasted cashews for a delightful crunch, season to taste, and set aside. Layer oiled phyllo sheets and spread mashed squash on top, leaving a border. Spoon the tofu filling onto the squash, then roll the phyllo into a roulade. Brush with oil, bake until golden and crisp, then garnish with seeds for added crunch. Allow the roulade to cool slightly before slicing and serving, revealing layers of flavor and texture. You can find the full recipe and step-by-step instructions in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutritious vegan recipes.